गोंयांत कोयराची व्हड समस्या निर्माण जाल्या आणि वाढत्या कोयरा खातीर गोंयांत विदेशी पर्यटक येवपाचे कमी जाल्यात अशें कलंगूटचे आमदार मायकल लोबो हांणी म्हळां। कलंगूट पठाराचेर जाल्ल्या कोयराच्या प्लांटाची पळोवणी केले उपरांत ते उलयताले।
गोंयांत पयलेच फावट जर्मन तंत्रज्ञानाचो उपेग करून कलंगूट पठाराचेर भारतांतलो सगळ्यात मोठो कोयराचो प्रकल्प उबारला। फुडल्या 40 दिसां भितर ह्या कोयर प्रकल्पाचे काम पुराय जातले। अशें तंत्रज्ञानाचो वापर करून भारतात सगळ्या राज्यांनी कोयराचे प्रकल्प उबारल्यार प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदीन सुरू केल्ले स्वच्छ भारत अभियानाक मोठो तेंको मेळटलो अशें आमदार मायकल लोबो हांणी म्हळां।
Garbage, which was the biggest problem in Goa. Till today we are facing biggest problem in Goa is garbage. The tourists, especially the European tourists coming into Goa slowly declined. The main reason was garbage, especially the Germans. Today this plant is coming into reality. A factory of treating wet waste into manure. A factory which will bail out plastic, cardboard, paper waste, which will form a block of 1 meter by 1 meter in different sizes, will bail it out for recycling. Whether it is plastic bottles or any other recyclable material.
कलंगूट पठाराचेर उबारिल्ल्या ह्या कोयरा प्रकल्पाचे उक्तावणाक गोंयचे आदले मुखेलमंत्री तथा देशाचे रक्षा मंत्री हाजीर आसतले। बुधवारा आमदार लोबो हांणी प्रकल्पाची पळोवणी करून कामाचेर समाधान उक्तायले। प्रकल्पाचे सगळे काम फुडल्या 40 दिसां भितर पुराय जातले। कलंगूट बागा अंजुना ह्यो उत्तर गोंयांतल्यो फामाद दर्यावेळो आसून कोयराच्या राशीक लागून गोंयांत विदेशी पर्यटक येवपाचे प्रमाण देंवला अशें तांणी मुखार म्हळां।
They require 100 tons of wet garbage a day plus dry garbage, which will be separated, segregated and treated. The then Chief Minister made a delegation with Deputy Chief Minister, myself and another 4-5 MLAs, and we went on a study tour to see the garbage plants in the European countries, Austria, Italy and Germany, and we have seen similar plants in Austria and Italy, and finally the German technology was adopted and brought into Goa. This is the first plant in India. When our Honorable Prime Minister launched Swachh Bharat Mission, this plant work had already started. So Swachhata has already started in Goa, and such a big plant, first of its kind in India. I will request Honorable Defence Minister, who was then Chief Minister of Goa, to request the Prime Minister of India to come over here to inaugurate this plant in another 45 to 50 days, when this plant will be 100% ready to commission. And I will see that the Prime Minister comes over here, because it is his vision, it is his mission for entire India, and such type of technology should be replicated, should be made available everywhere in India. Every state should adopt this technology.